It's raining again, but you know how it is. Gotta get going. Hopefully I can upside this rain situation by heading to AAA, paying the registration for the Soul, because as soon as that's done, I can drive the Soul every day, but I haven't driven it in the rain yet. That's why I'm driving the Hatch today.
I say I didn't come out and talk until I did as an authority worthwhile of writing business books that I thought people should have followed. Choose one or the other. I would recommend the documenting, because if you're willing to do it, the upside is extreme.
And it's not that I haven't driven the Del Sol in the rain, I just haven't recently. And you know, I want to get more things dialed in. I've put a lot of miles on it in the past couple weeks, mainly kind of days, but I bought new bushings for the rear LCAs for the Olins that I just got. I want to check out the suspension a lot more and, you know, get things a little bit more dialed in, because I don't really want to take it out in the rain and smash around and then just, you know, maybe something's loose, I don't know. Kind of got the car all together, not too slowly a while ago, and now I'm just kind of driving it a lot more. So I just want to make sure it's, you know, together and it's running before I just start dailying it every day. But I'm pretty happy to say that, you know, the Del Sol's registered now, so I'm probably going to be driving it more often. Maybe every day, just to kind of, you know, keep it going. Yeah, so that's Greg's motor. He's trying to get it all together, as you can see. Doing a cool little rebuild, so I thought I'd kind of, I guess, show you the motor. 400 horsepower, NA, S2000. You know how they do it. But yeah, so he's wanting to do a little overhaul on it, you know what I mean, because it's this track car. Took the supercharger off. I think the head is fully built by Inline Pro, and then we got one of the last fully assembled short blocks from Honda. So I think he ended up with an AP1 motor. So it was really cool. It actually showed up from Honda, fully built, had zip ties basically around the cam gears, or sorry, the timing, you know. And so we pulled it all out of the box. It had Honda straps, so that was kind of tight. You know, we were just kind of Honda boying after that. But got the new head back, like I said, built at Inline Pro, and he actually started getting it together. So this is kind of tight, not gonna lie, you know. He actually got everything torqued down earlier today. Super clean. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, you guys can kind of see it. But yeah, got everything put together. Looks really good, not gonna lie. Yeah, if you hear a little clicking, sorry, we got the fan on up there. The garage is freezing right now, but whatever. But yeah, so this should come along pretty quickly, honestly, not gonna lie. He's pretty fast at this, and I don't know if he's gonna like custom do something with the supercharger, like mount it somewhere else, because I think mainly they come and they like mount it on the VTEC solenoid. It's not a great place for it, to be honest, because like, I mean, we need VTEC, so why have this thing like mounted to it? But yeah, this should be coming along. So I thought I'd, you know, document that for you guys and for him, and just in general, this is going to be a pretty cool build. Yeah, maybe we can, you know, woo, a little peak ski there. But yeah, motor's getting built right over there, and then obviously we have dynos and stuff. So as soon as it's back in, we throw the supercharger on, get it on the dyno. Instantly, he'll probably hit 400 horsepower, because that's what it does. Like on an AP1 S2000, slapped it on, boom, 400 on AEM Infinity. That's gonna be cool. So I'm really curious to see what he's gonna make after that, and then we're gonna take it to like Button Willow or Thunder Hill and see what kind of lap times we get. So that's cool. Let me get away from this heater here. But yeah, I think I've shown you guys around this car It's pretty good. We got some sick. We got a bunch of FDs here. There was at one point in this garage we had like 7 or 8 FDs and then 2 S2000s. I'd be happier if it was the other way around, but you know, can't always hate. They're clean. I like FDs, but yeah, guys. So I thought I'd just show you what's going on there. As the engine gets built later on, take some more footage, and then when we actually put it in and pull it out, hopefully I get some video. Greg works kind of fast, and then he just ends up just doing it at night, and I come in the morning and I'm just like, okay, I guess your motor's out. So that's tight. But yeah, anyways, thought I'd document that, and let's see what else we get into. It's late, it's probably like 8, so I don't really know how much longer I'll be here. Probably head home and stuff, but it's been a fun day. I'm pretty happy that Del Sol is registered. I got my tags today, so I'm just gonna start driving that. I already talked to DJ, dude, because I miss driving around in Mobbit and Del Sol's. I wanna detail the car, you know, the paint isn't so great, but at the same time, I wanna bring it back. I might put the OEM hood back on right now because this carbon fiber hood's all oxidated. But I mean, I might be able to sand it and respray it, but I could also do that while it's hanging on the garage wall and then rock the OEM hood. That way at least it's all uniform. And then fix the front bumper, just get it back to looking how I want, and then start on the engine bay, and then, you know, we go from there. But hopefully in the next couple of weeks, or in the next week, I'm just gonna start detailing the car and get it back to the way it looked like. Sol's been in hibernation for like 4.5 years. I'll make a whole video on the history of that and why it sat for so long. But until then, another short video, but you know, I'm really enjoying making these videos for you guys. I just like vlogging, like talking to you guys and interacting, and you know, just, I don't know, making videos with the camera. It's awesome.
Go, 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 go! Fucking go!
What an asshole. Sets the alarm while the guy's trying to take a piss. That's just fucked up. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for me. It's been good. It's been fun. I shut the heater off before we go, so you can probably hear this a lot better. But I don't know.
Hurry up, Pete. About to be really fucking loud.
I'm out.
Ow.
Yo, all right, next day, didn't really shoot an outro. We were walking out and then the alarm was set, as you can see, and then it was just too dark outside, so I was just like, all right, well, this isn't happening. So just wanted to say thanks. Just wanted to say that's it for the video, guys. But I used to do this a long time ago, and I kind of want to do it again, and that's just ask a random question and then just see what we come up with. So I want to start off with an easy one. So we'll start with, yeah, let's just start off with an easy one. Description below your favorite chassis and why. Pretty simple, you know? You like EGs, hatch, coupe, what do you like? Put it in the description below. Let's talk about it, and then we'll go over it in the next video. You know, just simple question, guys. Your favorite chassis and why. But yeah, peace, guys. See you in the next one.